How to fix Subway app not working. Welcome to the channel and let's start with a tutorial. For this, you have to go ahead and press and hold your Subway application first and foremost. Tap on App Info. Force stop your application and head to Storage and Cache. Clear up the cache. Head back from there. Now open up your phone setting if this feature is not available for you and head to Applications. Then tap on All Apps. Search for Subway in the search bar and tap on it. Force stop it, head to Storage and Cache and clear up the cache. Once you do this, your bug issue must be solved. Next is to open up your Play Store or App Store and search for Subway. Tap on the application and check for an update. If there is no any update, uninstall the application and later you can reinstall it once again. Again, go ahead and open your phone settings. Then tap on System Update. Check for any remaining update of your system and make sure that it is up to date. Now the last resort will be to restart your mobile device. You can also check for your Wi-Fi connection and make sure that your Wi-Fi is optimum as well and the Subway application is actually of your region. And that's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.